Do you want to connect your Canon Pixma printer to Wi-Fi and install a driver? Don't worry. Setting up printer wirelessly is easier than you may think. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete step-by-step process to connect your Canon TS3520 to your Wi-Fi network and install the necessary printer drivers. While I'll be demonstrating the setup on a Windows computer, the process is very similar for Mac users as well. By the end of this tutorial, your printer should be connected and ready to print wirelessly. If you need additional assistance, feel free to call the numbers on your screen. Now, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First things first, make sure your Canon TS3520 printer is plugged in and powered on. Just check that it's got the power and it's turned on before we do anything else. Now, go over to your printer's control panel and press and hold the wireless connect button. Keep holding it until you see the Wi-Fi icon start flashing on the LCD screen. Before we move further, quickly make sure your wireless router is properly set up and working. And here's something important. Your computer needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you want your printer on. So just double check that real quick before we continue. Alright, now head over to your computer and open your browser. Go to ij.start.canon. Once you're there, click on Setup, type your printer model number into the search box and hit Go. On the next page that comes up, you just have to click Start, then select Connecting to a computer or smartphone, and after that, go ahead and click Download. And hey, while the file is downloading, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future printer tutorials and tips. Once the download is done, open the file to launch the installation wizard. That's what's going to walk you through the rest of the process. Go ahead and click Start Setup and just follow along on the on-screen instructions from there. The wizard is going to automatically search for and download the latest drivers for your printer. As you go through the setup, you'll come across a license agreement and a Canon service agreement. Just go through those and choose the options that work best for you. Nothing complicated here. Next up, your printer and your router are going to appear on the screen. Once they show up, just click Yes to establish the connection between them. That's how the two devices get linked together. Once the connection is verified, everything looks good, and go ahead and click Next. At this point, the wizard will ask you if you want to do a test print. You can totally go ahead and print one just to confirm everything's working, or simply click Next to skip and wrap things up. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.